Alright, now I've done bit designing, but in this one I just quickly want to show a couple of other ones. I'm going to show how to change this text here. You can either leave it for a text or put a logo in it. This box here, I've been trying to figure out how to get this one out, but haven't been able to do it yet. I'm also going to show how you can change this header layer here. And I'm also going to show how to get rid of this, and I'm planning to change the color of this one. So let's get started. I'm gonna go first to the footer, and you can get rid of the whole text here and the whole bottom footer by choosing the option no and save changes. After that, I wanna get rid of the color. I'm gonna change the green. I guess I just like green very much. That seems to be alright. Let's see what happened. Oh, it's not showing my picture. There it is. Let's see. It didn't change the color. There we go. So it's this one for the border color. That might be this one. So I won't be needing that one. So this one's gonna be a bit more dark. Yeah, that should be fine. I might get rid of it, I might not. Just gonna see how it looks like here. Actually, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Alright, next thing I'm gonna go is typography. Here you can choose fonts, and if you're gonna use fonts for menu header or fonts for headings. So those are good options. I'm definitely gonna change mine into something a bit more cooler, I suppose. And I'm just gonna change that quickly to 18. It's gonna make this text a bit bigger. I'm gonna play around with it, and I recommend you should play around with it too to make sure your website looks a bit more special than others. Next thing I'm gonna do is choose the logo. I haven't made it yet, so just a moment. First thing I do is I approximately measure how big the logo could be. So 400 times 90. Alright, so I've made my logo now. I used PictoChart to make it. I like it very much. It's a nice and flexible tool. And I used cooltext.com a lot, but this time I made it with PictoChart because I wanted a small picture on it. If you're using a transparent header, use the light one. I'm using a logo with transparency. I mean without transparency. And I'm going to show it. That's not the one. It's supposed to be in G. There we go. Crunching. Here we go. Put that there. We get peace out. Save changes. And let's see how the site looks now. Alright, beautiful. Alright, I got my logo. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I haven't figured out how to get rid of this one yet, but I'm gonna include it in the tutorial once I find it. And I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. After all, it doesn't really fit there. And now I just gotta set a menu. And when I'm setting menu, I have to think about my keywords. Am I gonna do a shop? Am I gonna do a blog? Am I gonna do another website or social profiles or anything? Yeah, it's pretty much limitless chances. I could look what my competitors are doing, see what works for them, and yeah,